Hi YouTube, this is Leola coming to you from Elle's Corner, and I'm just going to give a short video on how to make your own garlic infused olive oil using products or items from the Dollar Tree. You can actually, except for the garlic, you can get everything else from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to do a short little video on how to do that. So just give you a little brief scenario about why I'm doing my own. Well, I used to buy this olive oil, garlic olive oil from a store called Mark's. In the recent months, I no longer find this at any other Mark's store. It's like they just totally don't even sell it anymore. So I'm like, where can I find garlic oil? And I haven't have no luck. I've been to almost every grocery store in Cleveland here trying to look for this garlic oil. So one day I was watching a recipe or watching a video that had someone in the background or someone was cooking something, and they actually had a bottle with garlic in it. And I was like, oh my God, I can make my own garlic oil. I'm sitting up here trying to track down where I can get this when I can make my own. So what I'm gonna do is just simple, and most of your products can come from the Dollar Tree. So all together, you need. All right, so Dollar Tree sells these. They sell, at least my Dollar Tree sells this without the label, and then they have one with the label with oil, and then they have one called vinegar. They put one on vinegar, they have vinegar oil. So I bought the one that had oil in it, then I bought a plain one because I don't know what mixture I'm gonna put together in this one. But I'm using this for I use this for my garlic infused olive oil mixture. Back. So I'm going to put this aside, put that over there. Alright, so what you want to do is buy your materials, or whatever you need to do is you need to go to your Dollar Tree, buy your bottle that has the oil thing, clean it of course. They also have at the Dollar Tree this small little thing of olive oil. So I bought a container of olive oil, just enough to put in this size bottle. And then also, this did not come from the Dollar Tree, but you can buy your own crushed pepper at the Dollar Tree. And I'll buy you a whole garlic. You're going to use your whole entire garlic. And this is what I did. You're going to cut this up, peel it, and you're just going to, when you peel it, you're going to get your cloves. Like I said, I recommend that you use the whole entire one if you want to, because I like garlic a lot. So the more garlicky this is, the better for me. So what I'm going to do, so what I did was I peeled my garlic, broke apart the cloves, peeled that, and then I dropped my garlic in, some of my garlic in, and then I poured the oil in. So I poured the oil in to the bottom, and then I just finished cutting up but just getting my cloves together. If it's too big to go into the bottle, you need to cut it somehow or another, cut it in half. But the clove like this can't fit in the bottle, so you're just gonna do your garlic, split your garlic cloves up, drop them in the bottle, put your oil in, and then put 2 teaspoons. If you like spicy, I like mine, so mine's gonna be a spicy garlic infused olive oil. So you're going to need 2 teaspoons of your crushed red pepper. And again, you can get your crushed red pepper seasoning from Dollar Tree. And you're just going to drop it in there. Drop it in your bottle. As you put your oil, put like halfway, put your oil in. Put your, 3 or 4 garlic cloves. And then just keep putting your oil in until you empty the bottle. And then you just put the rest of your garlic in. Drop your, again, put your 2 teaspoons of pepper in just before you fill it up. So this is what it's going to look like. So all you do is just get your bottle, pour your oil in, and just drop your garlic cloves in. So this here is, I have my own garlic spicy infused olive oil. Alright, hopefully this will help, and hopefully you'll come up with if this is an idea for you that you can get it on a budget, hey, no problem. And I think garlic is kind of cheap, because I think you can actually buy one thing of garlic for maybe $1 or something. So altogether 1, 2, 3, like a $4 product in this bottle, and it's gonna last for a minute, hopefully for me. But like I said, I like using garlic infused anything. So here's an idea, and hook me up, or just just let me know what you think about this this video, and hopefully I just bring you a good idea. All right, good talking with you guys. I'll talk to you later. Hopefully I'll come up with another video using Dollar Tree items. Thank you very much, and you have a good and blessed day.